Dile que aquí se rasuraba mi hijo.
Dennis, because his father George.
Oh, yeah,
Do you remember?
So
Okay.
Budweiser's bien? Budweiser's bien? Budweiser, cerveza?
¿Qué dice? ¿Cerveza?
¿Que si quieres una?
Ah, no, ahorita no. Ahorita no. Thank you. Thank you.
Está frío aquí. Oh, mira, interesting. ¿Ya viste todo ahí? Vikings. Papá Vikings, pregúntale. Come on, perdió Vikings.
Perdió.
Did you see the game? Vikings? Oh, come on.
Al domingo, ¿no? ¿El domingo? ¿O ya volvió a jugar?
Ay, no,
I
no fue
went to the
domingo.
game. That was ugly.
Ay, no, ok. Le regalaron, papá, o sea, era para ganar, pero bueno, ok. Ya te explicó más o menos, ¿no?
Sí, ya.
Para que aprenda yo.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Pues es que mira, se ve tan fácil.
No, pero dirá, no, después ya no van a venir los estudiantes. No debes aprender. Dice. Fíjate del niño, no vayas.
Está dormido. Which is your name? Name, sir?
Ryan.
Oh, Ryan.
yeah.
Eso practica. Ryan.
Brian.
No, Ryan.
Ah,
Ryan?
Ryan.
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 Ah, ya.
Oh, Brian. No, Brian.
No B, no B.
Oh, Ryan.
Right.
Está frío, pues sí, estamos
Sí,
viendo
pues, sí.
muchas fotos.
Ujú. Pues sí. Son aficionados a los...
F. No, I'm just kidding. He said,
Dennis,
that's F.
Mr. Dennis, say hi, George.
Hey, Georgie.
El Georgie.
Ah, ¿se acuerda de Georgie o no?
Sí, probable.
Ya
Porque
no.
aquí también lo trae. Bueno, oh, pero vino, sí. Ves que dice que vino un día. Pues practica un poco tu inglés, papá, ¿no? ¿No?
No,
He says zero, right? Zero? Zero?
Ya ves, practice Spanish, please. Cero.
Cero.
Easy.
Zero.
¿Ha estado en México alguna vez?
I took a little bit of Spanish last year, only like 2 semesters.
Have you been in Mexico?
No.
Never.
When I was little.
I know one of those tres, cuatro, cinco, siesta. He said, I only know so much too.
No. Si ha visitado México, did you visit Mexico? Never.
Very young. Very young.
Oh, come on, sí, pero muy joven. Please, visit.
No, I want to go. I want to go.
Pero muy joven fue papá, dice,
Ajá.
a México. Which place?
So we were in Tucson, in Arizona. So whatever's close,
Oh,
whatever's close to
frontera,
Tucson.
border.
Yep, probably. I was so little, I don't know.
Estaba pequeñito. Ok. ¿De quién es el perrito?
De acá, pues sí.
¿Es de aquí? Oh, oh.
Dog.
Sí, Mika.
¿Cómo se llama?
Mika.
Nica.
¿Mika?
Yep.
¿Es she? Oh, Mika. Lo cuida, ¿eh?
Hello.
Oh, es su perrita, mira. Está bien.
Ah, es hembra.
Sí, se llama Mika.
Ajá.
What kind of...
She's mixed. Whole mix.
Oh, es
mixed.
mezclada.
Yeah, she's from the. She's a res dog.
Oh.
Can I say res dog?
Ajá.
The rescue.
Oh, rescue.
But she's from the reservation, so she's kind of like a wild dog, like a pack dog.
Oh.
Kind of.
You rescue she or she?
But she rescued me.
Oh,
Very true.
tell the history, please. Que ella lo rescató a él.
No, she.
How?
Oh. She
Bueno,
was,
sucede.
She's just a. I tried to rescue one dog, like an older dog, because I didn't want a puppy. I didn't want a puppy. I wanted to.
Oh, ajá.
And then she was mean. So then she was on Facebook. Somebody just said, "Come get him before like the eagles kill him." So. Yeah. If people don't come get him, they die. Muerto.
Ya ves, sí. Luego se ve. She loves you. He loves you, right? Sí, se nota. I see your face. Te cuida, lo cuida, se ve, ¿verdad, papá?
Sí, pues
Sí.
es como a Jorge el chicharo.
Exacto.
No, hombre, cómo te quería el chicharo.
Oh, ya no está, ¿verdad?
Ya no. Estaba enfermo, pobre.
Mira, y este es del equipo, los Twins, béisbol.
Ajá.
Guantes. Sí, mira, los bates. De deportes, exacto.
Sí.
Para charlar, but as English is a little bit too.
Yeah, no, yours is better than my Spanish.
Need practice and need more studying. Mira qué pececitos chulo. Los peces del tesoro. Mira.
How old is Georgie now?
George, he is my brother. I am the oldest.
Yeah.
He has maybe more 40. 40.
But didn't he have little George too?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Living with me,
Oh yeah.
Georgie.
Yeah.
I visit you.
I gave him his first haircut.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember. He tried to get me to marry his sister.
Oh.
Because she was losing her visa. But I was going through a divorce.
Come
And I
on.
said I couldn't do that because it was against my religion. I'm Catholic. And I couldn't. No, he offered me, he went up from 5,000 to 7,000 to 10,000 to marry. It might have been your sister then. Or it wasn't you, was it?
No, me no.
No, he offered
No,
me money
me
to marry
no.
his sister.
Me no, because I explained like, come on, I can along with that point. I can beauty, I am beauty. Say, come on. No, me no. And maybe he's kidding about the
No, he wasn't kidding.
the younger, no?
He was dead serious.
Ok. Mira, sí. Y también tus bigotes, ¿no, papá? ¿No?
No, nomás le dices que en las cejas y luego los pelos que crecen en las cejas.
Oh, ok. Sí.
Y es todo.
But I'm telling you, look at that picture. I know, son. I know. But if you look at that picture, this is stronger than that picture. Look at the picture. So you're gonna pick up my truck before I wake up then?
Oh, mira, esa es la L, ¿verdad? Es que es deporte, claro. Oh, sí, mira, estos, los Timberwolves. ¿Esto funciona? This machine works or not? It is only decoration?
No, it still works.
Oh.
It's acting up a little bit. I just turn it on when kids
Oh. Oh, I have one this. Come on with the Vikings. Oh no.
Wasn't George Jr. up here for a while? He stopped in when he was like 18 or 19.
Ah,
George
yeah.
Jr.
Ma-
He
yes,
stopped
yes,
in
yes.
here, Yeah.
He living with me.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we went on the phone and we called his mom and dad and I talked to your brother on the phone.
Oh.
This is it was before the virus, so. Yeah, it was a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, I talked to him down in Mexico. No, I loved your family. They were awesome.
Okay.
Ah, pues bueno, no hay. Usted verás en un momento. Wait, excuse me.
No, I'm single.
Really?
Yeah.
My sister is single too.
Nah, I like to be single.
But
No
it
one
is
tell
a
me the
feeling too.
TV's up too loud. The bed comes in the bed. We gotta do this weekend. I like being single. You can send me a picture though.
Oh, no. She.
You can never
she
say
has-
no.
She. It is a kidding me. She is,
Yeah.
but it is not my business.
Yeah.
She is beauty too. She has your plan. I don't
Is
know.
your brother still married
My
to
bro-
his wife? His wife.
Who?
George Sr. His wife. He's still married, right?
Yeah.
They had a boy and a girl. They had George and a
Two
little girl.
boys.
Yeah, two boys.
Two boys and one girl.
Yeah. No, I told you.
Yeah.
Now they won't let anybody else cut their hair but me. I gave Georgie his first haircut.
Handsome man. Oh, sí, mira.
¿No despierta el baby?
No, porque es su siesta de la tarde. Se cansó, corrió mucho en el parque.
Oh.
Corrió mucho. Hasta se mojaron.
What? She said no.
Bueno, quiero ver aquí, mira estos bonitos. Estos de twist. Estos. Mucho que ver. Ay, qué lindo. Las gorras. Uy, aquí está, mira, tiene frío. Say again, Mika?
Mika.
With K?
M-I-K-A, yeah.
Oh, ajá, con K, Mika.
Mika.
Mika. Ok.
Very good
Pues
doggy.
bien, sí, she is. I see your face and when inside she carry you.
Yes,
Ya. Se cuida.
Almost 2 months.
Oh,
If I leave, she
oh. No sé cómo se, ya olvidé. Bueno, tus cejas no ha pasado ahí, ¿verdad? ¿Papá?
No.
Bueno, ahorita te preguntará. Bigote no. Mhm. I forgot what say this.
eyebrows?
Ajá.
Yep. I'll
Could
do it.
the loan, please? Thank you.
Get them.
He explained me the. I forgot. Say again. Rush?
Eyebrows?
Brows.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows? Ah,
Eyebrows.
eyebrows.
Yes.
Eyebrows.
This is your dad?
Yeah. My favorite senior. I say,
fa-
come on, Papa. Because this month, he hit your birthday.
Oh, my birthday in October.
Oh, almost.
October 14th.
Oh, congratulations. He born 23rd. 23rd.
23rd?
23rd, ajá.
23.
23.
23.
23. Relajante, dice que dice relaxing. Me dice, dame masajito en la cabeza. Ya va tirando muy bien. Se nota que cambió.
Sí,
Pues sí.
pues así le digo a Efra, mi carnal.
¿Cómo?
Digo, mira, resúrate, ya cuando se resurra, ya ves, te tumbaste mínimo unos 8 o 10 años de encima.
Claro. Pues sí. Next time, please, I make interview for you in Spanish.
Oh,
In Spanish. Practice. Why not?
I still have my book at home.
Afterwards.
Pardon me?
I still have my
Hey,
book. I was
what do you
taking
want
Spanish last year at
You want the fishing
Oh.
post
at college?
in the boat? You
Oh.
want the cooler? Alright.
Oh, es que
Hey, make sure you
todo.
close the garage doors.
Fíjate, no
Lock
estorbas
the
la
door.
esta.
Oh,
¿sabes?
veré. No.
¿No?
The other garage. Son. Alright. Go ahead and open it.
¿Será que es su hijo?
Pues, quién sabe.
O es que sí, típico, o lo que he visto en las películas, pues venden cerveza, ¿no? En las barberías.
Yo creo sí. ¿no? Sí.
See,
¿Verdad?
Yeah.
Ajá.
And Rojo cup.
Oh.
Not in the can though, you know?
Ajá. I explained when I saw the movies, sell the beers in the
In the
barber.
barbershop. Yeah. And
Ajá.
cigarettes.
Oh, también puros.
También.
Sí, sí, sí. Ay, pero no, yo me mareo con el olor. Así estamos bien. Y luego ese mira airecito como de los autos.
Not for sale though, only for gift. You know?
Oh,
Because you can't sell it. It's only just for free.
oh.
Here's the shop number. There's my cell. Oh. You're so sweet.
Excuse me, the guy is your son?
Yeah, that
Only
was
you
my
say
son.
for oh. Hmm.
We got 3 daughters and 1 son.
Oh. Face like you.
Yeah.
Make it look nice. They got my daughter's wedding on Saturday.
Oh, damn.
Mira, mira, aquí está, ajá, la hora de la verdad. Ta, 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 ta. Wow, ¿qué tal?
Oh,
Oh, ¿y aquí ya? ¿Ya?
ya,
Oh, ya. ¿Más?
Ya, ya.
¿Necesitas
Ya,
más?
ya,
Ya.
sí,
¿De aquí
ya.
también te gustó ya aquí?
Ya,
Ok,
sí, ya.
perfecto.
He said one
Awesome.
time. He said
A
one
ver.
time.
lindo, lindo.
Lindo, nice.
Nice.
Ah, pues so beauty, ajá. Lindo, a ver, sí. Bonito, ajá, papá, nice. He say, lindo, nice. ¿Le gustó?
Lindo.
Lindo, bonito, nice.
Thing at the golf course and then from the reception.
Oh, dice que venden, no puede ser gratis.
Lindo,
Pero,
like the candy?
no, like a face, maybe like a
How do
woman.
you spell? How do you spell Lindo? Lindo.
L-I-N-D-O. Lindo. Oh, sí, mira esta parte, exacto, massage. It is the massage, maybe. Shaven. Shaving.
Chiquito massage.
Oh, sí, también.
I mean, I understand,
Mira, torrencial rain, mira, papá, inundaciones, Nueva York. Nueva York,
it's all
Nueva York. Sí, llovió fuerte en la
What's that, new
mañana.
man? New man?
¿Say again?
You said nueve something? The new man? Looks like New George?
Oh, ya. New look, new man, yes.
I thought that was our streets this morning. That's New York. Oh, it smells so flooded.
Nuevo hombre, dice, new man. Sí, ¿verdad? Sí. Un buen corte cambia. Ahora la sonrisa.
Ni un men, nuevo
hombre.
Ah, órale.
Pues sí, porque pues se ve uno diferente, claro, ¿no? Es muy bueno cortarse.
Like 200 and something, but
A mí me interesa, pero aquí only men's, customers men's, right? Only men's. Only men's? Sí. Ryan dice que sí. Le da risa. Ya.
I've given them a couple of shots. I can't pay them all at the same time. No, I can't do it all at the same time. I'm not
Y así, algo para despedirte.
gotta find extra money and then do that.
Pues
Tus amigos acá. Miren, chicos, hay que cortarse el cabello.
Pues bueno, amigos del amigo Coy, ya vieron cómo trabajó este hombre. Neymen.
No, dijo, ajá, que tú.
Neymen.
New.
Ah,
New man. Ryan.
Ryan.
Ahora dile.
Brian.
No, Ryan.
No, Brian.
Ryan. Because he has a brother-in-law, Brian. This is Ryan.
Ahora pregúntale cuánto.
Yeah, okay. Which is how much?
22.
Oh, mira.
20.
20, 20. ¿Ves? ¿Sabes español? 20. 20. Y viene la hora de la verdad. Y todos contentos, ya saben. Entonces, sean felices. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Hey.
We are Vikings. We are Vikings.
Hey.
Come on.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you,
My
Bobby.
father.
Tell
Say bye,
and
George.
Everybody said hi.
Yeah, George. He's George too. My nephew George. Blah blah blah. Everything George.
King George.
Yeah.
Thanks.